374,000 views on a single post about agent sequencing, 71,000 on a thread about local knowledge vaults. These are not viral curiosities. They are signals about where engineering attention is actually concentrated right now.
Yeah.
Let us go through each one. The first topic comes from a PolyDAO posting on July 4th. The thread describes a setup where Claude ingests local files, PDFs, transcripts, notes, inside an Obsidian vault, then generates summaries and cross-references across the entire collection. The key detail is what is absent. There's no retrieval-augmented generation pipeline, no vector database, no embedding index, no live retrieval layer. Claude reads the files directly and builds the connections. This matters because RAGI setups, while powerful for large-scale or real-time retrieval, carry real operational weight. You need to maintain the index, manage embedding freshness, and debug retrieval failures that are often invisible until they affect output quality. The vault approach, a PolyDAO, describes trades retrieval flexibility for simplicity and auditability. Every document Claude has processed is a file you can open. The knowledge compounds incrementally. Each new document Claude reads gets linked to what is already there, so the vault becomes more useful over time without re-indexing. For teams working with a bounded, stable corpus, internal documentation, research notes, meeting transcripts, this is a genuinely practical alternative worth evaluating. The second topic generated the most engagement of the three. Zero Excodila's post on July 4th surfaced advice attributed to Karpathy making a pointed argument about agent development sequencing. The core claim, as reported in that post, is this: rushing to build agent products before the underlying model is solid repeats the mistakes of 2016-era self-driving development. In that period, teams pushed toward full autonomy before the perception and decision-making foundations were reliable enough to support it. The result was not a shortcut. It was years of compounding setbacks. The argument as reported is that agents are not a separate layer you add on top of a model. They are an emergent property of a model that is already reliable, consistent, and well understood. If the base model fails unpredictably, the agent amplifies those failures rather than containing them. The practical implication for engineering teams is straightforward. Before expanding agent scope, audit the model layer. How does it fail? Under what conditions does it produce inconsistent outputs? Those questions are harder to answer once agent complexity is layered on top. This framing is not new in principle, but the engagement number suggested is landing differently right now, possibly because a wave of agent products shipped in the last 12 months are now hitting the reliability problems this argument predicts. The third topic is different in character but still informative. Krishna Sagrawal's post on July 4th shared free Claude-focused courses covering automation, coding, and agent-like workflows. It reached over 51,000 views and accumulated more than 1,000 bookmarks. Similar content in Spanish was also circulating, which suggests the demand is not limited to English language audiences. Bookmark rates are a useful signal here. Likes indicate a post resonated in the moment. Bookmarks indicate someone intends to return to it. They are saving it because they expect to need it. Over 1,000 bookmarks on a course sharing thread is a strong indicator of a recognized skill gap, not casual interest. Engineers are aware they need to get better at Claude-based automation workflows and are actively collecting structured resources to do that. The pattern across all three topics is consistent. Builders are not waiting for official guidance or polished documentation. They are sharing practical setups, surfacing foundational arguments, and collecting learning resources at scale. The second brain vault is a working pattern, not a concept. The foundation first warning is a sequencing argument with a concrete historical analogy. The course surge is a measurable gap in practical knowledge. If you are building with Claude or planning an agentic product, these three threads are worth reading in full. The links are in the description, attributed to the original handles. This is AetherLink, sovereign AI infrastructure built inside the EU. We cover what is actually moving on X every day, grounded in the data. If this was useful, subscribe for tomorrow's update.